Buhari regime, Tinubu and other presidential candidates like Atiku in panic as Niger Delta militant group threaten hēll in the country. Speaking on behalf of the group, the leader, who did not disclose his identity, said 2023 election will be bloody unless President Muhammadu Buhari, Niger Delta governors meet him as he declared himself the new militant group leader. The leader of the new group in Niger Delta region of Nigeria has threatened to unleash hell in the country and make forthcoming general election bloody if they did not answer him and met with his demand. The militant group in the region threatened that 2023 election will not be possible as Tinubu and Atiku are afraid. The leader also said Buhari and the governor need to meet with them to negotiate their part in the country as they describe what they are doing as the needful to make the country to be peaceful that the already rich region is suffering. The militant group in the region threatened that 2023 general election will be bloody unless President Muhammadu Buhari and the governor of Niger Delta State meet them for negotiation, which the army militant group described as doing the needful for the well-being of the oil-rich region of the country.
Asamana, Asamana, das mada, Abuya, Amity. This video that I'm doing, Mr. President, listening to me and listening very good. Also, you governors that in Niger Delta, I'm the force of Egbesu. I'm doing this video for Bayelsa State and also the president. This coming up election, if the governor and the president don't know what to do, I'm the force of Egbesu. I'm readying myself. Look at my war boat. These are my war boat. And these are my fighters. I'm getting myself ready always, 24 hours. I'm coming for you people for the election. If you don't know what to do. And president, if you know what to do, come to me. Also governor, come to me. Or else there will be no election for Basan clan. And president and governor, senators, listening to me. This coming up election, there will be bloody election in Basan clan, Southern Niger local government.